Hi, and welcome to Chiquitascrochet. Today is a continuation of the beginners videos, and this time I will be teaching you how to make the triple crochet, or sometimes they call it treble. Three, treble. Okay. We left off after the half double crochet, I believe. Yes, half double crochet. We're going to put our hook in the little loop. We're going to chain. Regularly is 4, and I'll show you the difference. If you don't want a gap, we'll do 3. But first we're going to do the original way, and then I'll show you without a less gap. Okay, chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn your work. Yarn over twice. 1, 2. Go into the first stitch. Yarn over. Go through the stitch. Yarn over. Go through 2. Yarn over. Go through 2. Yarn over. Go through 2. Almost exactly like the double crochet, but you do 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You take out 3 times. And this is how the gap is going to look when you do 4 chains. Okay, now let's do it with 3 chains. And then we continue from there. Let's see. Put your hook in the loop again. Practicing here. Yarn over. Make the chain. 1, 2, 3. Turn your work. Yarn over twice. Go through the stitch. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Whoop. It's okay, we can go back and just adjust it. There you go. Yarn over and pull through 2. See how less of a gap that is? Let's continue. Yarn over twice. Sorry about the movements there. Going through the stitch, grab some yarn, pull through, grab some yarn, pull through 2, grab some yarn and pull through 2, grab some yarn and pull through 2. Let me do a closer version. Yarn over twice, go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. Okay. Sometimes in patterns this would count as a stitch, so since this chain would count as a stitch, sometimes you have to skip the first one because this counts as a stitch. That way you won't be adding a stitch when you do the pattern. Some of the patterns require that. So when you do that, this counts as a stitch, you skip this first one and go to the next one. I'll try to explain at the end one so we can switch. Yarn over twice, go through the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through the last 2. So that's 3 times. One more time. Yarn over twice, go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. Okay. I'm going to do chain 1, 2, 3, yarn over twice, turn your work. Now, as I was explaining, this is the stitch, okay, right here. Sometimes they require this chain that we did as a stitch, so you skip the first stitch and you go to the next one. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And that's how it, sometimes the gap is less also. So that is another way. Okay, so I'm going to go back to where I was. So that's just skipping that one. Yarn over twice, go into stitch. And we're going to do this a bit faster because I want to show you something else. I would like to show you when you go back. Oop, I just did a double. Yarn over twice. Obviously, I didn't follow the rules, did I? Okay. We are going to go back. 1, 2, 3. That's my preferred. Turn your work, yarn over, go through the first one. I'm not counting it as a stitch, the last one we did. So we're going to show you where to put your stitch, your next stitch on top. Okay? So we're going a bit fast because I want to show you that really quick and not make it a huge video. Along with this, I'm showing you tips and tricks. Okay, see? So now this chain was counted as stitch, right? That's why we're not going into stitch, but we are going into this chain. So do as normal, yarn over twice, and it says 1, 2, 3. Since I used 3, you go into this third chain up. You can go through the middle of it, or so you won't see that line, go through both little bars like this. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the last. There you go, see? That's going through the chain. This is going through the stitch. Not counting. This was counting. And this was on top of this chain. Okay, that is the lesson for the treble crochet, triple crochet. I hope you understood it. I hope this came out good. Like, subscribe, share if you like. See you till the next tutorial. Bye.